Game post here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We have a Underglow show tonight. As some of you know, I already put some Underglow on the bottom of this car. We gotta get washed up for that. Then we're gonna go meet up with Josh and Garrett. We're gonna go just hang out at the Underglow show and see how it is. This show is in Wentzville, so it's gonna be about an hour and 10-minute drive from our house. Normally we go to shows pretty much every weekend. This one's a little bit different. It's hosted by different people, so it should be really fun, but it's all about Underglow. Let's go ahead, get washing, and then we'll be on our way.